I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. Let me start my music up in my ear real quick. Give myself a little entertainment. I want to set the scene for y'all real quick. Someone who I thought was my Facebook friend has a flat tire on their Lincoln. As you can see, it's that front driver side tire. They called nobody else but Mike Ryder to do their tire. And we finna knock it out. This ain't gonna take long. I'm putting this used tire on there, which I believe looks pretty darn good to be used. Enough of that though. Let's go on and get this thing going, man. This is the first job of the day. I actually was wiping the crust out my eyes when she called, but don't tell nobody that. Let's go. Let's get her jacked up. She's on a bit of an incline, so we're gonna chalk up this wheel right here to make sure that vehicle don't run back on me or roll back on me. We coming up in the world, baby. Let's get it. Let's take you off. I can almost guarantee that Lincoln gonna be a 3/4. I'm not a betting man, but I'm a bet on that. Let's see what it is. No play. Right on the head. Let's get it. Let's go. Go on and soak that baby down. Make it slide off easy. It's hammer time. I was just about to say you're gonna make me work today, but I guess I needed that one more hit. Soap again. There we go. What are the rags for, you might ask? I ain't got no wheel covers and I'm not about to scratch this woman's wheel. I actually got someone coming in that I want to try that I saw online the other day. So, just for protection. One more. I don't want to hear nobody in the comments talking about I done scratched that lady wheel. Come on. There we go. Time to go back on with this other tire. Yeah, we take a minute to appreciate that lube. That joker thick, boy. Quick story, real quick. I'm laying in bed wiping the cold out my eyes, and I got a call this morning, and her name popped up, the customer who I'm doing now. And I was like, darn, that name looks familiar. And sure enough, Facebook friend. So I get on Facebook just to see, am I right? Don't tell nobody I ain't peeled that tire when I just did it with my feet. I get on Facebook just to see if I was right or whatever, just to make sure, cause her name looked so familiar. Sure enough, it was her, but we weren't friends anymore. And being honest with you guys, I don't know if she unfriended me or if I unfriended her. I don't think I unfriended her because I don't see anything on her page where it's like just negative or nasty. Those are like the things I don't go for. If I can get this tire on. So even though we are not Facebook friends anymore, it's still all love. And I'm still a tire man, so guess what? We're here to do the job, baby. Even though my hands are slippery. Pro tip, your hands get slippery, put the lug nut inside the socket, let your lug nut twist it on. We don't have to fight with this stuff, man. Make it work for us. NASCAR, is you ready? Here come my favorite part. It's gonna pop right there. Don't say I ain't warned you. Uh-oh, one more. Lord. $35 on the head. Let's go. A success.